Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep Pandey. I will be introducing you MRP of Operation Management. So let's go and see the importance and definitions of MRP. MRP, Material Requirement Planning, is a computer-based production planning and inventory control system. MRP is concerned with both production scheduling and inventory control. It uses bills of material, data, inventory data, and master production scheduling to project what material is required, when, and at what quantity, or meeting the demand of finished goods at stipulated time. So we have seen the definitions of MRP. So let's go and see objectives of MRP. Inventory reductions. MRP determines how many of components are needed and when. In order to meet the master schedules, MRP enables the manager to procure that components as it is needed, thereby avoiding cost of excessive inventory. Reduction in production and delivery lead time. MRP identifies materials and components, quantities, timings, availabilities, and procurement and production actions required to meet delivery deadlines. Increased efficiency. MRP provides close coordinations among various work centers and produces programs through them. Consequently, production can proceed with fewer indirect personnel such as material expenditures and with fewer unplanned interruptions because MRP focuses on having all components available at appropriate scheduled time. Elements of MRP. Technical. The technical area is the computer program, the software for doing MRP. The need for a standard system that is simple should be recognized, and the CEO should be sure that the technical part of MRP does not become a technical requirement, but in attacked like a business project very methodically. Basic data elements. The basic data elements of closed loop MRP are matter production schedule, bills of material, inventory records. People. The peoples of course will have to be educated to understand how to use a formal system. In a formal system, it's important to keep the number correct to generate value schedules and to develop an atmosphere of credibility and working together as a team. Assumptions to develop MRP. File data integrity. Individual item lead times are known. Every inventory item goes into and out of stocks. All components of assemble are needed at the time of assemble order release. Discrete disbursement and usage of components material. Process in definitions and manufacturing items. Advantages of MRP. MRP has relations with the master productions schedules and alongside shows the specific quantity and the timing of the orders for all the components. The suspicious regarding the dependent inventory demand. Therefore, MRP similarly reduces the inventory level and thus the commitments regarding the master schedules are duly met. By adopting MRP approach, every single order can be traced in a case of law level items at various levels of bill and material till the preparations of the master productions schedules. The linking pin between the low and the high level is referred as the child-parent relation. In case for any reason the supply of item at the low level are disrupted and the managers can refer to the bills of material and estimate the overall impact of the production. So let's see disadvantages of MR. It only projects how much material or capacity is required to meet the sales forecast, cannot consider actual capacity available in shop floor, consumer trends and vendors, limitations and plan. This is a major weak point for MRP where have solutions score requires high level accuracy of data, that is bills of material data, system stock, etc. Frequently for companies, system stock differs from physical stock, that is stock has in system does not exactly match physical with what is available in the company's stores or warehouse. In this case, MRP run will not create correct planned order or procurement proposal. Thank you. So this was my presentation for MRP.